Hey family, welcome to Live&Gather. Star here. In this video, I'll be giving you a tour of a kitchen project I just wrapped up. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more interior design projects and home inspiration. Also, please give this video a like, leave a comment down below and tell me your favorite part of this kitchen. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, let's start by delving into the history of this kitchen. The homeowners purchased their new constructed home about a year and a half ago, and they opted to keep everything builder's basic choices as they plan to personalize it later. So that meant that they opted to not have a backsplash. Everything was white and light gray, and nothing really stood out. So this left us with a nearly empty canvas to work with in this kitchen. So one key request they had was to create a striking wow factor in the space. And so with this design, as we walk through the space, you'll see how we set out to do that. Okay, so like I mentioned, the clients had no backsplash before, so of course we had to add one, and this geometric backsplash really became the cornerstone of our design. The camera doesn't really pick up how beautiful this tile is and the details within it. So it's a crackled glass tile and it has variations of green. And if you look really closely, you can see some shimmer in the tile, and it's really beautiful. And it's our statement piece for this kitchen. Initially, we aimed to steer clear of white cabinets for this project, but that plan quickly changed when we chose this eye-catching backsplash. The white cabinetry gave us the necessary contrast that we needed to enhance the prominence of this green, beautiful backsplash. So we painted all of the cabinetry along the back wall pure white by Sherwin-Williams, and we really believe that it was the perfect design choice. So on this left adjacent wall, we have this small coffee nook area that served as an opportunity for us to introduce a different tile. We could have continued the green tile in this space. That would have been a safe thing to do, but since we wanted wow moments in the kitchen, and I didn't want to just give them one, so we changed it up and gave them another moment that they would love in their kitchen when they went to make coffee in the morning. So on this adjacent wall, we decided to reverse the color scheme that we did on the back wall with the white cabinets and the green backsplash. We decided to use a neutral paint that has strong green undertones and a white marble tile that has strong gray and gold veining to bring that contrast, but also keep a unified scheme going across the kitchen. You'll hear me say probably a few times throughout this video that this kitchen design was all about shape and texture. So for cabinet hardware, we opted for knobs for the upper cabinetry. I discovered these black leather knobs with brass accents that complement the black and the brass elements found throughout the rest of their home very well, and it enhances the overall theme of the kitchen. Brass touches can be seen on their appliances and other hardware within the kitchen, so we aim to create a cohesive look that blends with the rest of their home. So you'll see black and brass mixed metals throughout. And for the base cabinetry, we chose a sleek, solid black pool to create the ideal contrast against the white surfaces. Moving on to lighting, we went for a mixed metal finish on the light fixtures, and we wanted to have light fixtures that made a bold statement. So we chose these black, brass, and milk glass light pendants. They really are the jewelry for this kitchen. We think it turned out well and really tied everything together. Again, the way that the white cabinetry makes everything that layers on it pop reinforces that the white cabinetry along this back wall was the perfect decision. My clients asked for a wow factor, and I really think these light fixtures brought it. Okay, so let's talk about these counter stools. Other goals my clients have for this project included creating a kitchen that felt complete, warm, and harmonious with the rest of their home. So to maintain a consistent texture theme, we opted for boucle counter stools for the island. This choice not only adds warmth and coziness, but also enhances the overall unity of their home as they have incorporated boucle pieces in other rooms. Also, we selected these chairs because they have beautiful leather and wood finishes to further enhance the desired warmth and texture that we wanted to bring into the space. Before this transformation, the kitchen island lacked character. It was just plain white. The decision to paint the island was aimed at anchoring the kitchen, especially because this home is an open floor plan. It has white walls and predominantly light colored furniture. So it was crucial that we introduce visual depth to the kitchen by painting the island a color that had more visual weight. Initially, my clients preferred sticking to white and gray tones, but I wanted to avoid dull, cold gray since warmth was a key objective for their kitchen. So to gently nudge them out of their comfort zone and to provide the necessary warmth that we needed for this project, I chose Homburg Gray by Sharon Williams for the island. Although this is a subtle neutral shade, the strong green undertones add a layer of vibrancy to the kitchen. Initially, I was unsure how they would react, but they ended up loving the color so much that they agreed to paint the adjacent walls the same shade. Lastly, let's talk about the glass display cabinets. The kitchen has plenty of cabinetry, and I wanted to avoid spending excessively on small decor items. So instead, I shopped within their home to repurpose items that we could use to enhance their kitchen. My advice to clients, which I follow too, is to choose practical items for display cabinets that can also serve a decorative purpose when not in use. For this family who often hosts gatherings and family events, I found items like placemats, counter holders, vases, planters, and baskets stored away and not frequently used. By utilizing these existing items, I style all their cabinets without additional purchases. To both save money and to practice sustainability, consider redecorating by first looking at items you already own before making any additional purchases. All right, well, that concludes this project tour. The most rewarding aspect of this project was the client's satisfaction with the final outcome and their trust in allowing me to push them outside of their comfort zone. I am now welcoming new interior design clients from all over the country. So for those who are interested in collaborating on a future project, you can find details in the description about my services and how to get in touch. If you haven't already, please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel for more interior design and home related content, and share your favorite part of this kitchen project in the comment section below. Until next time, love, Star.